I am Zamora Mary Judith from Grade 12 PMC. Hello, fellow Filipinos. Did you know that your vote is one of the most powerful tools for the future of our nation? Today, we're here to guide you on how to vote for the right candidates in the Philippines. Let's make every vote count. Understanding the importance of voting. Here's how it works. The Philippines holds election every 3 years. Position up for grabs include national, provincial, and local office. As a voter, you receive a ballot listing all candidates. Your task, choose wisely and cast your vote. Key criteria for evaluating candidates. Not all candidates are created equal. To vote responsibly, consider these key criteria. Qualification. Does the candidates have the education, skills, and experience for the job? Integrity. Is the candidate honest and trustworthy? Have they faced any corruption issues? Platform. What are their plans for addressing key issues like education, health, and jobs? Track record. Have they delivered results in their previous roles? Values. Do their beliefs align with what's important to you? Step-by-step guide to registering and voting. Here's how to participate in the elections. Register to vote. Your local Comelec office. Bring valid identification and proof of residence. Check your voter status. Online or at your local elections office. On election day, head to your assigned polling station. Bring a valid ID and your list of candidates. Fill out your ballot carefully. Make sure your choices are clear and avoid any stray marks. Submit your ballot. And wait for your receipt to ensure your votes were recorded accurately. Tips for searching candidates. Informed voting starts with good research. Here's how you can learn more about the candidate. Attend debates or watch televised forums. Read their platforms on official websites or social media pages. Verify information through credible news outlets. Speak to your community. Listen to diverse perspectives. Beware of fake news and propaganda. Always fact check. The importance of voting. When you vote responsibly, you help build a government that represents the people. Your choice can lead to better policies, improved services, and a brighter future for everyone. Remember, every vote matters. Let's work together to create positive change by voting for candidates who truly deserve our trust. This is your country, your future, and your choice. Let's make it count.